You paid good money to get a pool. Why block it off with a mesh fence when Glass Doctor gives you all the safety and does it transparently?
Wanted a glass pool fence.
Having a glass fence allows you to have a completely frameless design. So you can sit at your breakfast table, look out over your beautiful pool, and not notice your fence at all.
A frameless glass fence.
I'm an engineer, so I like to work very precisely.
This slides onto your glass, supports your glass without having to have any holes in your glass at all, and that's all the hardware it is. It's completely frameless.
But what about safety?
Half-inch clear tempered glass is very safe. It's so safe you see it at hotels and resorts. And to give you an example of how safe it is, the glass in your car door is less than half as thick as what the glass we're using here is. So it's over twice as tough, twice as strong, and twice as durable. Here we have a piece of sample glass to show you just how hard tempered glass can be.
Getting the right glass in the right place gives you a strong and pleasing look. And when it comes to taking care of it,
we put a protective glass coating. We call it a hydrophobic coating that causes the water to bead up and fall off, that protects your glass and makes it 99% easier to clean.
One less thing to worry about. Glass Doctor's safety and technologically advanced engineering didn't happen overnight.
This is something that's been proven through the years. We're just now bringing it to a residential customer. So it gives you the safety you need without taking away the overall look and design of your pool.
Because where there's family and a pool, there's one overriding concern.
Obviously getting a new pool, safety was our first concern. And glass pool fence really gives all the benefits of still being able to enjoy, your backyard and the beauty of the pool without the less visually appealing mesh pool fences.
Beautiful pool, beautiful view, made easy.
We're thrilled with it. Yeah, we couldn't be any happier. Our fence came out beautiful.
Getting the right glass and the right purpose and keeping it safe. That's what makes Glass Doctor my home show pro for glass. For HomeShowRadio.com, I'm Tom Tynan.